We started from a first principles basis. We went to the academy and we wrote 91 papers, and we've gotten third-party academic verification that the things we think are true are true. We had a multi-year research agenda to figure out how to build a foundation for consensus that eventually could scale to billions of users. We launched Shelly in July. Shelly's looking great. We're still upgrading and updating a few things there, and it's been getting more and more decentralized over time. And by March, the network will be completely decentralized. That core design feature that we scientifically validated, which is as the price of ADA goes up, you get more decentralized and we don't lose performance. In fact, it's the opposite. We gain it. That was the holy grail. And we spent 5 years in deep R&D. We're the number one most cited academic project. And then we actually built simulations. Then we built a test net. Then we actually deployed it onto the main net. And we keep seeing growth. And the technology has tons of growth potential. Right now, at the base layer, we can be at 150 TPS. Just optimizations there should take us to 1,000 TPS. Then when we add on hybrid channels, we can go to 1,000,000 TPS if we wanted to, or beyond, because every stake pool operator can run a channel. We're number one in GitHub commits. We have one of the largest dev teams around, over 100 people, like a dozen companies at this point working. We're also building the other parts of Cardano in parallel. So now we're turning on all the Gogan components. So those are smart contracts. So we can bring dApps and DeFi and these things to the network. And we've also been turning on all the governance components as well, Voltaire, which is just like having a VC and a National Science Foundation in the sky to give grants for people to get where they need to go. So we just launched our first fund, Fund 2, that's completely public and going to be publicly voted. And it's going to give away $250,000 to different projects. And we have over 4,000 people participating there. And the fund size will just keep growing. So it's going to go from 250,000 to 500,000 to $1 million. And eventually it'll get to a nice resting pace of maybe $5 to $10 million every 6 to 8 weeks that'll be injected into the community for dApps, DeFi, grants, research, maintenance, and so forth. You know, a lot of cool things are coming. Around February, we should have multi-asset coming in, and smart contracts, as I mentioned, are on their way. And we have a great commercial pipeline as well. My company has 110, I think, commercial deals that we're negotiating right now.